What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Looking to buy a big budget smart TV in the upcoming sale? Then this video is for you. Boom! Meet the all-new Motorola Revou 2. This is the new 2022 model, a 55-inch feature-packed Android smart TV which I bought for my personal use in the last month Flipkart sale, and I'm happy with it. Let me tell you all about it. Cut open the box. You have two stands with screws, then a remote with batteries, a power cord, a manual, and finally the TV. Fixing the stand is easy guys, but you do get free installation and setup as well, so better wait. If you want to wall mount this TV, you have to get the bracket separately. Alright guys, here is the Motorola Revou 2 55-inch Android Smart TV.
Hello, Moto.
Alright, time for the 360 view of the TV before we talk features. What I have here is the massive 55-inch 4K model. This is perfect for people who want to enjoy content on a large screen. Super thin bezels. I like how the chin is in silver, including the stands. In this series, you also get a 43-inch and a 50-inch model. If you look at it from the side, the TV is not very thick. Good. Front bottom Motorola branding with an LED light IR sensor and the on-off button. On both sides, you have the speakers. These are box speakers with a combined output of 24 watt. And hey, Dolby audio. Moving on to the back, you have the connectivity ports. Two USB 2 ports with FAT32 and NTFS format support. Then a 3.5mm headphone slot. Next, a digital optic port to connect your home theater, soundbar, whatever. Then AV port to connect your old devices like CD players, old setup boxes, cable TV and more. Then a traditional antenna slot. Then 4 HDMI ports with one supporting eARC and ARC. Finally, a 100 Mbps LAN port for wired internet. This TV also supports dual band Wi-Fi, so you can connect to internet wirelessly as well. And this side, a power cable connector slot. That's about it. On first boot, you have to complete the Android setup process by connecting the TV to your internet, be it home broadband Wi-Fi or even your mobile hotspot or wired Ethernet. You can use any. Once setup process is done, you are all set to enjoy your TV. So as said at the start, this is powered by Android TV OS. Version is 11. The UI is pretty straightforward and easy to access apps and content suggestions. Since it's powered by Google, you can install whatever apps you want from its dedicated TV app store. Has all the popular streaming apps, so you're covered from that angle. Want to sideload something? You can do that as well. Under the hood, you have a MediaTek quad-core chip with 2GB RAM and 8GB inbuilt storage. UI, I won't say it is super smooth, but it is not very laggy either. At times, minor stutters are felt, but nothing major. You can customize the home screen as well with suggestions from your favorite apps. Overall, it is an easy to understand UI, clear and straightforward. Alright, now it's time for my exclusive FAQ session where I answer some common questions about this TV so that you guys get to know about it in detail. Well, shall we start? First question, how is the display quality? Well, the 55-inch LED display that you're getting here, as said, is a 4K panel with a resolution of 3840 x 2160. It is a 60Hz refresh rate panel with 178 degrees viewing angle and close to 300 nits brightness. In my opinion, panel quality is good for what I paid. Though some might feel the nits are less, you won't notice it much if you don't compare it with expensive TVs. Still, color reproduction is good and you get up to 7 picture modes to choose from. Has Dolby Vision and HDR10 support as well. Upscaling does a decent job. Overall, it's a good display. Second question, how is the remote? It is good. Has voice control as well. But I'm not sure how many of you guys use voice feature. If you're someone who uses that, let me know in the comments. As far as the remaining things goes, it is an easy to understand remote. You also get dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime and Google Play. Overall, a thin and narrow lightweight remote. Third question, can it play 4K or Full HD video files from a hard drive or pen drive? Yes, it supports max 4K playback up to 60 FPS. You can see here I am playing a 4K content from my 1TB hard disk connected directly to the TV, and it is awesome. Supports most of the common file formats. Fourth question, what is the max resolution you can stream on YouTube, Netflix and other popular streaming apps? Well, on YouTube, you can stream up to 4K with no issues. On all other popular streaming apps, the highest resolution is supported, totally based on your subscription with each of those apps. Fifth question, how is the audio quality of the inbuilt speakers? Do you need a soundbar or an external speaker? As said, the inbuilt speaker has a 24-watt output. It is super loud and okay. But I don't want you to get carried away by the Dolby Atmos audio tag and totally think it will be superb. It is not. Just keep your expectations neutral. It is a decent speaker, but not something incredible. For that matter, no TV in this range has incredible speakers. So yes, if you want a theatre-like experience, a soundbar or a tower speaker would be the ideal way to go. Here is an audio sample of the inbuilt speaker. Sixth question, can I use this TV without internet? Why not? Just play files from a pen drive or hard disk or connect your TV setup box, cable TV, whatever. But guys, Smart TV is for streaming OTT content. So if you're considering this TV, I assume you already have an internet connection at home. If not, get one. Seventh question, can I cast or mirror my phone? Yep, that is possible. Supports inbuilt Chromecast. So be it your Android phone or your iPhone, you can do that.
Huh?
Eighth question, can I connect Bluetooth devices? Yes, it has Bluetooth 5 support. Bluetooth headset, earbuds, Bluetooth speaker, soundbar, you can pair it all with this TV. Ninth question, what is the price of this TV and warranty info? Well, here comes the interesting part. I got this TV in the last Flipkart sale that happened in August for just Rs 29,490 after Flipkart and bank discounts. But now if I go back and see, it is listed for 47,000, which is totally ridiculous. So I believe you can expect this to be around the 29,500 range in the upcoming sale because it is totally worth it. Not more than that. So you guys keep an eye in the upcoming Big Billion sale. Make sure to bookmark this video so it comes in handy. For around Rs 29,490, a 55-inch 4K TV is sure is a fantastic deal. On the warranty, you get usual 1-year warranty and doorstep service. Since Motorola is backed by Flipkart, they guarantee a wide service network. Tenth question, do you need a stabilizer for this TV? Not needed as long as you don't have frequent power fluctuations in your area. If you do, then yes, you will need one. And the final question, is there something that I don't like about this TV? Frankly speaking, for the price I paid and bought this TV, I'm totally happy. After using it for a while, I can say it's worth the money. A good TV with good design, required features and a large display. But if I have to crib, it could have had 3 or 4 GB RAM and the speakers could have been better. Minus that, I personally love this TV. If you have more questions about it, do drop them in the comments, we'll try to answer it. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you guys soon in another exciting video. Until then,